Hello everybody, welcome back to another Bitcoin update. I'm Chris and today I'm going to do another update about what's happening currently for the Bitcoin price, because guys, right now we are standing in a extremely dangerous position. The volatility is on the roof, and you can clearly see in the last 2-3 days we fluctuating within $23,000 area and $24,000 area. Lots of ups and downs on the price of the Bitcoin, and guys, all depends from the Dixie, because Dixie was going to break this massive support area. It bounced very hard the time that we create the video yesterday, and afterwards, after a couple hours of the video, we saw massive leg down, and finally we broke this support. And guys, if you remember on my previous video, the previous day of the yesterday video, I made a video of a huge pump and then a dump on the Bitcoin price. And actually guys, it happened in some way yesterday. As you can clearly see right now, we touched this $24,000 area here exactly, and then we saw a massive decreasement on the price subsequently. And guys, of course that happened because we saw this massive leg down of the Dixie, and we broke out this massive support area, which was very crucial. The first time that we retested, we found big strength, we pushed the price upwards. That's why we had this decreasement on the Bitcoin price back to $23,000 area, and then with that leg down we saw massive pump over $24,000. That's why I told you that I was expecting a big pump if Dixie was going to break this massive support, as it happened. And right now you're gonna clearly see guys that Dixie is moving with we did an impulsive move back to this previous support close, basically to the previous support, which right now retesting as a resistance. And right now it seems that we're gonna get to the downside. If this guy scenario is gonna play out, and also SP500 gonna strength to the upside, then probably we're gonna see another pump for the Bitcoin price up to a level which I'm gonna show you on this video. Okay, and also from the opposite side, if Dixie gonna see reversal to the upside and gonna get back to this rise wedge pattern, then I'm gonna tell you what's my next price target for the Bitcoin, because we're gonna have a very big and emergency dub for the Bitcoin price. So if you would like to know guys all these things exactly with price targets in the short term, in the mid term, and also in the long term, all you have to do is to stay tuned until the end of the video. Before jumping to more analysis, let's smash 100 likes on this video guys, because with this way you are helping me so much in this journey, and with a very simple process of daily like, daily comments, share with your friends, share with your social media. You're actually helping me so much, and appreciate you for this help and support from the bottom of my heart. A big thank you to everyone guys, and let's dive straight guys to the daily time frame, because we have lots of interesting things to cover out on this video. Initially, you can clearly see daily rise wedge pattern just broke out from yesterday, and of course today we are moving under of this support. Still we don't have a confirmation of this rise wedge pattern breakout. We are still breaking in some way this support. We will need to have some leg down to actually consider it as a confirmation breakout. And as you can clearly see guys, and as I told you, if we're gonna get a breakout with a confirmation here, I'm gonna expect at 3 free falls, which the first free fall is gonna lead us to $21,500 area, which we're gonna have some strength here and some consolidation phase, and then we're gonna move back to this $20,500 area. Okay, and then if we're gonna break also this massive support area guys, then we're gonna have a free fall to $16,000, $17,000, $18,000 area very quick. So as you can clearly understand, right now we are standing in a very emergency and dangerous situation guys, because if we're gonna see a leg down, then the crash will begin. But until that point guys, we should actually see the short term, because as you know, in the long term I'm bearish, you know that, and of course technically and fundamentally in the longer time frame, in the bigger time frame, I'm very bearish, and technically we are bearish. You can clearly see that we are under this $25,200, and of course under this $30,000 resistance area. So we remain very bearish technically too. Indicators are bearish in the bigger time frame, so that's why we are technically bearish. And of course fundamental guys, we are getting from bad to rose. Okay, so in the next coming months we're gonna have more rose things for the Bitcoin price, but and of course for the global economy. But in the short time frame, guys, there is a big probability, as I told you yesterday, to experience some pump to the upside. And as you can clearly notice, guys, we saw some pump to the upside exactly as I predicted at $24,000 area. At this point, when we had this rejection, I told you that if Dixie gonna break this support area, then we're gonna have an imminent pump over $24,000 area. And after the breakout, you're gonna clearly see that we touched here the $24,000 instantly. Okay, and right now we have get backwards because Dixie showed some pump to the upside, and right now everything is very volatile. We are waiting to see what's gonna happen on the Dixie first, at least me personally, because guys, if Dixie gonna get back to $103, that's gonna be very bullish for the Bitcoin. And if Dix is gonna get at that point, then I believe Bitcoin can jump back to $24,250. And before you freak out, this is gonna be very temporary, guys. Okay, do not fall the trap about this is the bull run, and because at that time you're gonna see the Bitcoin at $24,250. All the Moon Boys theory is gonna start again, and it's ridiculous funny. I'm gonna laugh a lot if I'm gonna see these theories again about the bull run just began, and let's go all in, guys, because the bull run just started, and all these funny things. But guys, I would like to warn you from now that if you're gonna see a pump like that, it's just a normal pump under certain circumstances, as you can see from the Dixie. Of course, I'm gonna still expect to see the last capitulation, the last crash back to very low numbers. And as you know, guys, I highly believe that the worst case scenario for the Bitcoin price, especially if we dive into more bearish things for fundamental side, I believe, guys, we're gonna experience $12,000, the worst case number. Within $60,000 area, we're gonna fluctuate within all these areas. But right now, I'm gonna give you this rise wedge pattern technical price target, because it's really important to know that if you're gonna see any leg down with a confirmation of this breakout, guys, you're gonna have a technical price target of this rise wedge pattern at $16,500. Okay, we're gonna have $16,500 area of this technical price target. And of course, as you can clearly understand, if we're gonna get under $20,000 area, this technical price target, I believe we're gonna accomplish that 100%. Also, guys, SP500 before a couple hours was looking very bearish. Okay, and as you can clearly see right now, the next candle, the next 4 hours are bullish. It's green, but the previous 4 hours, guys, was formed here a lower low, which indicates me a decreasement of the price, a downward movement, and I believe that probably gonna see some slightly pump here, some consolidation or whatsoever, and then we're gonna see another leg down for the SP500, and that's a bearish indication, guys. If SP500 gonna drop furthermore, then we're gonna have Bitcoin into a drop straight to $22,800. And guys, if this $22,800 area for the Bitcoin gonna break, then we're gonna get straight to the technical price targets that I told you. First point, 21,500, and then the second point is the $20,500. And if we're gonna break also this support, then we're gonna have a free fall in all these areas. Okay, that's it, very simply. So basically, I'm gonna look the MACD indicator, and I'm gonna close the video. MACD indicator is still remain bearish. Okay. Also, guys, we have this descending broadening wedge, which, as you know, I'm expecting a lot to see this kind of path, as you know, to get back to this worst case scenario, and afterwards, subsequently, to see the reversal, which is gonna break all the resistance that we have ahead of us. And then from that point that we're gonna break the $30,000 area, I will say with big confidence, and I will announce you basically that this is the beginning of the bull run. But until then, guys, I'm expecting very bad things to happen for the global economy, and of course subsequently for the Bitcoin price. So our attention right now on the SP500 and on the Dixie, because if Dixie gonna do a leg down, then that's gonna be a bullish. If Dixie gonna do a reversal to the upside, that's gonna be very bearish, and Bitcoin is gonna get straight to $22,800. And as an overall, as you know, as I told you hundreds of times, to do not confuse you, I remain bearish. Okay, Long term, I'm expecting to get back to very low numbers. That's all, guys. I hope you enjoyed. Do not forget to do your DCA, dollar cost average, and if we're gonna get in all these very bad numbers, double down, triple down, quadruple down, go all in, because afterwards, when the this reversal gonna happen, all these numbers gonna look very tiny for the Bitcoin price. That's all. See you tomorrow, guys, with my fresh updates. Until then, your boy Chris out. Bye.